Best leveling system comparison. Tile leveling systems are essential tools for achieving a professional-grade finish when installing wall or floor tiles. They prevent uneven surfaces, reduce lippage, and ensure precise alignment, making them indispensable for DIYers and professionals alike. List number. The DGSL tile leveling system offers a comprehensive kit designed for both DIYers and professionals. It includes 300 disposable clips, 100 reusable wedges, and a sturdy tile plier. The clips can accommodate tiles ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inch thick, making it versatile for various tile types. The pliers are ergonomically designed, ensuring ease of use during extended projects. With a 4.4-star rating and over 4,800 reviews, this product is a popular choice for those seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. During testing, the DGSL system proved effective in minimizing lippage and maintaining tile alignment. The reusable wedges were durable and easy to handle, while the disposable clips provided a secure hold. However, the kit's relatively small quantity, 300 clips, may require additional purchases for larger projects. The pliers, though functional, lacked advanced adjustability compared to premium models. Overall, this system is ideal for small to medium-sized tiling jobs and offers excellent value for its price. List number. FleetTie's Tile Leveling System Kit stands out with its inclusion of 1,000 disposable tile spacers and 200 reusable levelers, making it suitable for larger projects. The T-needles are changeable and crafted from manganese steel for enhanced durability. The kit also includes 4 specialized wrenches for precise adjustments, ensuring ease of use. With a 4.5-star rating and a 360-day money-back guarantee, FleetTie provides a balance of quality and customer assurance. In our tests, the FleetTie system excelled in handling heavy-duty tiles and larger installations. The manganese steel T-needles were robust and resistant to wear, while the wrenches allowed for smooth adjustments. However, the kit lacks reusable wedges, which may limit flexibility in certain applications. Additionally, the larger quantity of spacers may be excessive for smaller projects. This kit is best suited for professionals or those undertaking extensive tiling jobs. List 3. The Bellowside Tile Leveling System Kit is a premium option featuring upgraded PVC clips and reinforced wedges for enhanced durability. The kit includes 600 disposable clips, 200 reusable wedges, and a robust tile plier, making it ideal for larger projects. The clips and wedges are designed for easy installation and removal, ensuring efficiency during tiling. With a 4.6-star rating, this system is highly regarded for its quality and performance. During testing, the Bellowside system demonstrated exceptional durability and efficiency. The reinforced wedges held tiles firmly in place, while the upgraded clips prevented deformation during use. The pliers' return spring design reduced hand fatigue, making it suitable for extended projects. However, the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This kit is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers seeking a reliable, high-list number. The Saker Tile Leveling System is a budget-friendly option that includes 500 disposable clips, 100 reusable wedges, and an upgraded tile plier. The plier features a larger ergonomic design and a durable metal clasp for improved grip and stability. This system is compatible with various tile materials, including porcelain, ceramic, marble, and natural stone, making it versatile for different applications. In practice, the Saker system performed well for small to medium-sized projects. The upgraded plier design was comfortable to use, while the metal clasp provided reliable durability. However, the clip quantity may be insufficient for larger installations, and the wedges lacked the reinforcement seen in premium models. This kit is ideal for budget-conscious DIYers looking for a functional and affordable solution. List number 5. The Lipptec Tile Leveling System Kit is a comprehensive solution for large-scale tiling projects. It includes 300 reusable spacers, 1,500 cross-shaped disposable spacers, 6 wrenches, and replaceable steel T-pins. The reusable spacers are reinforced for durability, while the disposable spacers ensure precise positioning. With a 4.7-star rating, this kit is highly rated for its versatility and performance. Testing revealed the TNTech system's suitability for both professional and DIY use. The reinforced reusable spacers were durable and easy to handle, while the cross-shaped spacers ensured accurate alignment. However, the kit's weight and complexity may be overwhelming for novice users. This system is best suited for experienced tilers or those undertaking extensive